Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INQD. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Before I get started, would like to note to please read my disclosure. So like I said, here we are looking at the daily time frame, and this one has made quite a move. Not that long ago, down here below 25 cents, and now it's up here closing at 65 cents. So quite the move in a relatively short amount of time. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. I want to first start with resistance just because there's one level that really just seems to be kind of the thorn in the side of the chart right now. And I don't mean that in the sense of, it's impossible to break through it. I'm just saying that apparently, the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game in order to get through it. And that's up here at 75 cents. You can see back here through the history of the chart, rejected by it. And then right there, okay, I didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree, got pretty close. 75 cents, rejected it once again. Today, actually, the price was able to gap up above it. But the key thing now going forward is, can the price get a true break of 75 cents? What do I mean by true break? Well, a true break has two parts. The first part's always the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a certain level. But then the price has to be able to maintain above the break, stay above whatever level it broke up above. Case in point right here. Sure, the price broke up above 75 cents, but by the time the closing bell rolled around, it ultimately pulled back down here and closed at 65 cents. So 75 cents does still need to be considered an area of resistance. Now, I would agree that 75 cents was weakened as resistance today, but as far from a technical perspective, that's still public enemy number one for the chart. And like I said, by no means am I saying that the price can't break above it, because the price has broken above it already today. I'm just saying that apparently the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game to get that true break of not only breaking above it, but then being able to maintain above it. We also had some more data though. If the price can break through back above 75 cents, then the next overall level of resistance up there at 80 cents. Yes. Now, what about levels of support? A lot of big dynamics have happened over the past couple of days, and that's not really my opinion. Anybody that understands charts is going to tell you that whenever you can get up above the 200-day simple moving average and the 50-day simple moving average, those are good, strong moves. And once the price gets up above those levels, then yeah, you want to see the price stay up above them. And so far, so good. Case in point right here. You can see the price pulled back and did a good job of bouncing right off that pink line there, which is the 200-day simple moving average. And then down here, you have the little brother, the purple line, the 50-day simple moving average. So all in all, those are going to be those two levels of support going forward. And I mean, because if you stop and think about it, let's just take kind of a drastic situation. So let's just pretend the price heads all the way down here to this 50 period and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, then from the big picture of things, you'd still have the overall, uptrend right there. Now, there is perspective that goes into this, meaning if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 7 minutes, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then everything's still fine, because like I just illustrated, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, put in a higher low, and that's the name of the game from the overall perspective. So that is where the chart currently stands. Could have been better today. It would have been maintained those gains, but again, today, that's just one slice of the pizza. When you look at multiple slices here, you can see the bulls are clearly building higher bases. And as long as that continues over time, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. If there are any other questions, please let me know.